Guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be doing a little unboxing of a new product. We've picked up a channel sponsor, Fleximounts. So what they did is I needed some more space in my work area here. So I wanted to move my printers and my filament and everything into kind of a storage area, which you can see right here. I've got one of the shelves still out here. I've put one together already, and I'm using it to store, like I said, my filament, my resin, everything like that for my 3D printers, and I'm using the top for my new AMS unit for my A1, which we're going to show while we're here doing this video today. So stick around. I'm going to be assembling one of these shelving units for you guys, showing you, the nice parts about how easily everything goes together, how nice and clean everything looks. It does have a very industrial look, which for me, that's great. I like having things that look metal. So stick around. We'll put the shelving unit together and we'll talk about this new accessory for my 3D printer. So guys, the AMS unit really does seem to be a must-have item if you have a Bambu Labs A1. The reason I say that is because a lot of the models that I've been finding are multicolor. This one I'm just doing as my first multicolor test print. It's got 3 colors on there, but I do have a translucent filament on here that I'm going to be experimenting with later on today to see if I can add some lenses to a print. But the AMS unit allows you to automatically change between your filament sources. So you can tell it, see it's actually pulling back that filament right there, and now it's loading the other color. You tell it what part of the model you want what color, and it will adjust the filament coming out of the particular spool to match that color. Setup on the AMS is super simple. It's literally a matter of putting your spools of filament on there, plugging it into the back of your A1, switching your A1 back on, and your unit will automatically recognize that there is an AMS attached. All right, so FlexMount approached me. They originally wanted me to review their garage lift unit, but I don't have anything to justify a garage lift unit. Because it's meant for, Jeeps and Broncos with the tops that you can lift off, the hard tops. I just don't have it. But one of the other things they specialize in is garage and home organizing. So that being said, I told them, you know what? If you guys want me to do a review on a product for you, I could really use a shelving unit. So that's what they sent me. So behind me is the already assembled shelving unit. I did that last week. I did record some of the assembly process for TikTok. Pardon the mess. I'm still in the process of getting everything set up here, rearranging John Parts Designs Home Center. You can see I've got my resin printers off of there for right now because I still have this second unit to put together. So basically what we're going to be doing is going from this part of the wall over to my door with 2 shelving units. And hopefully this is eventually going to turn into a small print farm. So stick with me for a little bit here. Let's get this shelving unit put together. So when we get something new, we always like to have a little bit of fun with what's in the box. So since I've already opened this box up and I've already pulled everything out, what I'm going to show you guys is what Fleximount includes in their kit to assemble everything. You don't need any special tools outside of a Phillips head screwdriver to assemble this shelving unit, but they do include a little hammer, and you'll find out why that's useful. And then some white gloves. You are dealing with steel here. There's no real jagged areas on here. I think they've done a really good job of cleaning the metal up. But the gloves do help. They prevent you from getting scratched up and everything as you're assembling your shelving unit. All right, so a lot of the views you're going to see kind of like this. Um, Also, I wanted to let everybody know they did send this to me no charge. So this is a product sponsorship. This is an endorsement. I do highly suggest you check out Fleximount. Their garage storage and home storage units are awesome. And this shelving unit is very affordable. It is under $200 on Amazon. I will be linking an affiliate link in the comments. So be sure to check them out. Anything you do pick up does help support the channel. Okay. So let's get into this assembly. All right, folks. So they include these sections. And if you look, there's an edge here. That edge is what's going to be what the shelf actually sits on. Um, because of the fact that this is going to be going kind of with the other shelving unit here, I've got these links. And what these links do is they go on top of the other, because these are in 4-foot sections, or 3-foot sections, sorry, 36 inches. 3-foot sections. So this will end up being a total of 6 feet tall. And I'm building the top half of my first unit. I'm going to get another unit from them here for next to it. But that's what these are for. So all I'm going to be building right now is the top section of this shelving unit, because I've already got the bottom 3 shelves set up. The top is just going to be there for me to put some more filament racks up. So what we're going to do is we're going to take these channeled sections that hold the shelf, and then you've got these sections with eyelets in them. Bring that closer to the camera so you can see it. And what those eyelets do is they locate the tabs on here. Now I'm going for the top here. So I'm going to set that in. And I got my little hammer. Give it a little tap in place. I'm going to take another section, same height, and tap that in place. Like I said, the hammer is really handy to have. That section is now done. By the way, this is going to be super quick. So that's another reason why I like these shelves. They go together really fast, really nicely. All right. So now I'm going to need another side section. So I've got another short one here. And again, I'm facing that edge to the inside. Oh. Had that one upside down. And just like that, both halves are now together. Now we're going to want to take a long section. Same channel arrangement. This is super simple, guys. And you can see I'm doing this by myself. I don't have anybody helping me. And the nice part is, once you've got it here, we can now take this other section, line it up. And look at that. Now it stands up on its own. One last section here. And there we have it. Our frame is built. So now you take your frame, we have these steel grates. Sorry for all the noise. And now you got your shelf. You put, your stuff on it. I mean, these are quality. This is industrial grade shelving and storage. I mean, it's not 100%, 2,000 pound weight bearing, but it's cool. And I mean, as you can see on the assembled unit, it can handle a lot of stuff. There doesn't seem to be a problem with any height. That's for sure. And again, if you look at the connections, they're secure. This unit does not shake very easily. Very well put together product. Very nice shelving. I do wish that they offered it in some other colors. Um, the gray is cool, but I think I want to do these in black or red maybe. But again, really good quality. And guys, if you use my promo code, you will get a discount on their store. And again, it does directly support the channel. Check out this unit. It's really cool looking, and be sure to check out Fleximounts.